Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram filters not working problem or filters missing problem or not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back. Click on Play Store. Again click on search button. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your Instagram app. Search Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Again open your Instagram app. Click on story icon. Select any picture. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram filters not showing problem or Instagram filters not working problem fixed. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.